finally completed this rigorous one-year course of XLRI. I think all of us have given a lot of time and energy of our lives, coming from office, rushing in to attend those lectures, and then every Sunday exams, the assignments in between.
Yes.
I think it has been a big experience. Very importantly, apart from the personal times that we have spent for this course, I think there has been a huge learning, personally speaking. There has been a huge learning from this course, a lot of new things that we have learned. And we have learned from world famous professors who have taken their time and imparted their knowledge to us. So overall it has been a huge experience, huge positive experience for all of us.
It was really, we understood the value of deadlines and
Yes.
timelines, at work also, but at times, we do have deadlines at work, but then we get time to stretch them according to our leisure. But here, it really in more than one way we grew, we learned a lot, not only in the subjects, but also we grew as human beings and as people, the way, and we've interacted,
Yeah,
kind of networking that we've
lot of
done.
friends that we have made.
connected with lots of people.
Exactly, and
Fan
it's a
India
real
actually.
good
Fan
connect.
India.
Most important, the campus comfort fund, whether you have internet, the
Exactly.
faculty over there.
And most importantly, we would like to thank Accelerate for giving us this wonderful opportunity to complete this course here. Thanks a lot, Accelerate.
Thank
We
you.
will
Hi, this is Hetal Manik, part of PGC HRM 18 XLRI batch. We're here to talk about our XLRI journey. To start off with, it's a one-year commitment, attending classes on time, ensuring that I complete work in office, convincing my boss to let me go early. But at the end of the day, it was a fabulous journey.
Hello everyone, this is Shashank Mishra from PGC HRM 18 batch. I think the best part about this entire course is the campus component. I've heard so much about it from my previous batches that I literally completed my performance management cycle before time just to attend the campus component. It was an excellent journey.
Great professors, great learning, life-changing interactive situations, and finally, friends for life. Beautiful people, amazing people.
Hi, this is Glenn Andrade. Even though I had to change 2 jobs during this course, I managed to keep up the commitment towards XLRI so that this does not break.
Hi, Sneha here. XLRM gave me a good experience about time management, managing the household work as well as office work, and completing the assignments, projects and exams. It was a really excellent journey. We'll miss it.
Hey, Jeffrey here. What I cherish the most is making a lot of new friends and building my network.
Hi, Smita here. Great learning, new theories, new practices. Go back, apply in the job. It's an excellent journey.
Hi friends, Sandeep Pilania, PGC HRM, Andheri Center. XLR, oh my god. The moment I came to know it was XLRI lecture, I had to tell my bosses, boss, I have some urgent meeting and I have to leave. It was 1.5 to 2 hours journey for me to reach for the lecture. Amazing, wonderful. The campus component, oh my god. I loved the cafeteria and I loved night sets XLRI. Amazing feeling.
Hi friends, it's a XLRI good journey ending on the friendship day. We are ending the education and getting a friends together. Thank you.
Last but not the least, here comes your cameraman Prashant Rangari. XLRI, what should I say? When I was known about this lectures or say classes going to start on, I don't know, I was in a dilemma of how I'll be completing, but today the journey has come to an end. And it's a sad day for me, to be very frank. The foremost thing which I'll be missing is the friends, and it was really fun being in XLRI. Thank you.
Thank you.
All for joining. Come.
So here we all together saying goodbye, but for never ever, we're going to be